Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the center door hinge assembly on your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Your first step is to detach the top hinge cover. Support the door and use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 mounting screws securing the hinge. Lift off the hinge and have an assistant help you to remove the freezer door. Now use a 5/16" wrench or nut driver to fully unthread the left side screw securing the center hinge assembly. Loosen the 2 screws on the right. Open the refrigerator door and you can remove the old center hinge assembly. Prepare the new center door hinge assembly for installation by first applying a new gasket. Transfer the spacers from the old assembly to the new one. Apply some grease to the hinge pins. Insert the lower pin into the refrigerator door as you align the assembly under the right side screws. Thread the screw on the left. Tighten the right side screws. Realign the freezer door on the upper hinge pin. Confirm the spacer is in place, then reposition the top hinge. Thread the screws to secure. Snap on the cover. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.